Chief Meteorologist Annette Charles.
All right, Christian, let's start you with a look at the temperatures this morning where we are cold out there. It's chilly. These temperatures coming in at freezing right now in Parkville, Baltimore, right there in Manchester as well, over towards Sykesville and Lisbon. So make sure you do dress accordingly before you head out and about across the Eastern Shore. More 32s now from Rising Sun to Elkton to Sudlersville to Massey this morning. Good morning to all of you. As we go throughout the day, temperatures will bump up a bit. So we do have a southwesterly push. Although we have the clouds and the clouds will continue to thicken throughout the day, we won't get that much sunshine, but with that southwesterly flow, temperatures will bump up a bit. So I'm going with the high in the upper 40s today, just like we had that high yesterday in the 40s as well. This is what it looks like at the surface. We're going to continue to monitor this system here, and this will continue to work its way off to the north and east. High pressure will get the boot as this one moves in from the south to the north. Also, if you're going to be traveling down off to the south, you're going to be running into some wintry weather. If you're headed back off towards Oklahoma, they are dealing with wintry weather conditions now, as they do have winter weather advisories in place, and portions of the south, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, all dealing with flood warnings at this point. Also, it's going to get quite breezy, gusty as we go into your Saturday. Those gusts up to about 25-30 miles an hour. As for today, that rain really gets in here later this evening between 8 and 10. We may see a few sprinkles around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock for your rush, but it gets really heavy overnight into tomorrow. Now let's head outside with Adrian. Adrian, it seems like you're having a good time, but you do look cold out there this morning. What's the forecast for the Ravens game?
I am a little bit cold out here this morning, but there is so much excitement. I can't be cold. There's so much happening. We've got the marching band going. Ravens cheerleaders are here. I just saw Poe pop out of the stadium a little bit ago. A dancing Dunkin' Donuts cup out here. It is just incredible, and everyone getting their cars painted this morning. If you are looking ahead to the Ravens forecast on Sunday, hey, we are looking fantastic. A lot of sunshine to go around. Temperature is going to be quite comfortable as well. I mean, it's January, and we're talking numbers in the low 50s. Cannot get much better than that as we paint the town purple. The only issue may be the winds, so that's something we'll be watching. We could have sustained winds anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll send things back inside. Now to Lauren Cook, who's got to check on a morning drive. But boy, Lauren, this morning, things are great out here. We're